So there is absolutely no question at all. You should be in the Printing Your Photos Club. So the main reason I recommend printing out your photos is that the experience of seeing the images is so much different. Seeing them in real life, printed on something, whether it be a wall print or whether it be a book even, that experience is so different from looking at your photos on a computer screen or your phone screen. It is definitely worthwhile for that reason alone. Also, you get cool wall art while updating this whole space right here. I'm gonna put up some photos that I really like, and I'm gonna open up a few that I haven't seen yet. They just came via the FedExer. So we're gonna see how they turn out. Hopefully the print's okay. No sponsors for this video, but I got these done through Imprint, so I like a lot, just in case you're curious. It's Christmas. You don't get as an adult. Oh, snappy, snappy. So nice to see blown up. The dirt, the grime, it's all there. The yellow taxi cab with a T4i, maybe 18 megapixel camera, APS-C crop sensor photo to get an 11x14 out of. You don't always need the stupid high resolutions, but they are kind of nice. I remember a few years ago, someone bought some photos that they had printed out, which I never see the photos that I print and send to people, they go straight to them. But finally seeing those pictures in person, I took a moment and was just going over them. They probably thought I was so conceited, just admiring my own work. But no, I realized it had been a few years since I had actually printed out photos that I've taken and I've seen in real life. Hulking out. Ah, lovely. So lovely. Domino Park. The Lower East Side of Manhattan, the Williamsburg Bridge right there. My favorite neighborhoods, the G train to Greenpoint. Get some good donuts. This is the thing that you want to print your photos out for. Be able to just glance at it, and so many good happy memories and vibes and stories of this single photo alone makes printing your photos absolutely worthwhile. And that's our quickie video for today. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you dislike the video, just stare at that dislike button. Don't touch it, but challenge it to touch you first and make the first move. And subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.